Hello and good morning to all of you. This is Engineer Amanullah and today's topic is Project WBS and activities and how we are going to define these in PrimaVera. First we will see project. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service or a result. The main thing about the project is that it is temporary, it must have start and finish date. Then if we decompose project, it is called WBS. WBS means dividing project work into more manageable components. You have to decompose your project into many levels of WBS, usually 7 levels of WBS in construction. First level of WBS is called deliverables and last level of WBS is called work packages. Then if you further decompose your work package into more manageable components, these are called activities. Activities should be decomposed enough to estimate, schedule, monitor, and control. There are different types of activities. One is task dependent, which follow task activity calendar, and other is resource dependent, which follow resource calendar. Then there is level of effort activity. There is no work of level of effort activity. Just take its start and finish date from its predecessor and successor. It is just the helping activity, like in a marriage hall, you put scanning machine there. Scanning machine will be there only for the time when guests are entering the hall. Any guest entering the hall is main activity, and the machine there is a level of effort activity. It is just helping that one. Uh, this should be noted that level of effort activity cannot have constraint assigned to it, and also it is not considered in leveling the resources. Then there is a WBS summary. This activity summarize a WBS level. Dates on these activities are calculated based on its on earliest start date and latest finish date of the activities in the group. We usually use this activity for costing. Start milestone. Then there is milestone. Milestone is checkpoint. Mm, in milestone, there is start milestone. A start milestone has start date and no finish date and is scheduled at the start of the time period. And finish milestone, a finish milestone has finish date and no start date and is scheduled at the end of the time period. Now we will see how we are going to add these in our PrimaVera. See, this is my EPS. I want to add a project into energy and construction. I will just click here and click add button. Select EPS, in which EPS I want to add this project. I want to add my project in engineering and construction. Then this is project ID, for example, single room. I want to make a project of a construction of a single room. And project, here I will put project name single room construction. Next, project plan start date, must finish date, I will not put it here. A responsible manager, who is responsible for engineering and construction department. Responsible manager is ENC, or you can change it from here. Standard rate type, I want it standard rate. Finish. So here this is my project. I want to add WBSs. There will be two main WBSs. You can shift from here, you can shift to the right or left, up and down. Structure, and this one is finishing. Then in structure, I want to further decompose this structure into two WBSs. Civil and MEP, and finishing same civil and MEP. Civil and MEP. So here I have developed WBSs. From here I will close all and I will open this one. This one is my project. You can also see these WBSs in chart view. First is single room construction is my project. Then there are two WBSs, structure work and finishing work. In structure work there are two WBSs, civil work and MEP work. And in finishing work there are two WBSs, civil work and MEP work. I will come here in civil work, structure civil work. I want my first activity foundation. Then I will add other two activities, foundation, walls. This is simple project just for explaining. Your real-time project will not be like this. Wall and slab. So this is my structure work, and MEP work here will be plumbing work and electrical work. So these two are, I don't want this activity. Again here in finishing, I want to add two activities, painting So here I will make it a wallpaper installation. And here I want same activity, so I can copy from here. Just Control C and Control V. What you want to copy: resource assignment, resource code, relationships, expenses, activity codes. All these I want to copy. So this is a simple project. In next video I will explain how to add. From here you can add activities. 2 days, wall will take 1 week or so, 6 days, and slab will take 2 days for shuttering, 2 days for reinforcement, and 1 day for concreting. 5 days. Plumbing work will be ongoing with the foundation. There is plumbing work in foundation, wall and slab. So I will make it 12 days. And electrical work will be same 12 days. Electrical work here means installing conduits in slab, walls and foundation. Painting will take 3 days, okay, and wallpaper installation will take 2 days. Here same 12 days and 12 days. So this is all for today. In next video, I will explain how to sequence these activities and how to compress schedule. This I will explain in next video. Then further I will explain resources assignments. This is all for today. Thank you very much.